Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Hey dude and Dudette, say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. You see me today, I'm rocking my Matt Moto TV shirt today. That's my boy. Wifey got the shit rolling. So wifey's gonna come out here with me today. She's just chilling. I always ask her to come out and with me when I'm doing stuff on the bike. But today we will be installing my front end strap kit. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we're working with today. Yeah, y'all see him here, the bat. So today we're gonna be working with these Alif. The Alif front end strap kit. We're going to be installing it today, and what you see is all the tools you're going to need. Ratchet with a 12-inch socket, or you can use a wrench, whatever. And you're going to need a number 6 Allen key. It's really simple. So we'll be backing bolts out on this side, do the same thing on the other side. We will install the strap brackets, and then we will route the wire. So I'll pretty much show you how we install the brackets, and then I will show you how I'm gonna route the straps, and that'll pretty much be it. I'll probably take you guys on a short video showing you how the straps work and how much they help, because as it sits right now, this bike is coming up in first and is bunny hopping second.
Get in there, get in there back! Get in there back! Get in there back! Get in there back!
We will see if there's any difference installing these straps. And something I do like about the Alif straps, they are lightweight. So definitely check them out. Tell them Dude Mungus sent you. There is no discount code available, but just tell them Dude Mungus sent you over there to holler at them. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start off by just getting the brackets installed on both sides, and then we'll worry about routing the straps. And then we also, I forgot to mention this, but we got some Loctite, some blue Loctite to make sure nothing comes loose. Make sure this white part, this Alif symbol, is on the outside, and then you'll be reading the logo face up. That's how you want to mount it on there. All right, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll be back once I start routing the straps. Now this I've actually never seen before. Maybe that's to keep it. That's pretty neat. Has this thing, I'm assuming this is to keep this from banging up against something. I've never seen it before. That's pretty daggone neat. I definitely want to make sure I do not crimp any wires or pinch anything. When you route your cable, you want to make sure you're not smushing or you're not going to crimp anything. Preferably on a flat spot. Here. Oh, bam, perfect. Found the perfect. So I'm looking for a flat spot. So this is the flattest spot that I found to mount this, and it's actually right above the brackets itself. So I'm just gonna run this through here, but I'm also gonna make sure I'm not gonna be crimping or pinching any wires while I'm doing this as well. So as I just got it sitting, I'm just make sure that I'm not going to crimp or pinch anything. I'm just showing you some Loctite on this. So even though this has a lock washer on it, I'm still going to apply a little bit of Loctite. And I'm not going to lock anything down yet because I'm going to double check my placement and just make sure everything is okay and not crimping any wires. So I'm just going to get it kind of snug and how I think it should be, and then we'll lock everything down. Get it snug, and I'll still have a little motion on it. So I'm just gonna make sure to get this other side right. I'm literally gonna do the same thing I did with this side. I'm gonna do it on the other side just to make sure I got it right. Okay, that looks good. What I like to do is give it a little pull. Give it a little pull so I know where the straps are gonna fall. Kind of get it in a comfortable position. And now I will lock it down. Right. We are done. Strap kit is installed. Alright, that's it. But anyway, Dude and Dudette, that is it. If there's anything else I need to show you, I will probably voice over or send you some pictures, but it's a really simple install. But I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. We are done. Hey man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.
Thank you for watching, dudes. Namaki. Thank you for watching, dudes.
Yo, Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy, Dude Mungus. I am daggum excited today. I got a treat for you guys today. Yes, Anubis is back. Yeah, man, like I said in the intro, we're heading up today to do some testing. Hitman has just made some changes to his bike. Yeah, these GSP's about to get out now. Yeah, I'm gonna let them go because I have no idea what's going on, bro. You nervous as heck? I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, nah, bro.